For this retrofit, you will need either a number 2 Phillips screwdriver or an impact, a drill, a 1/4 inch drill bit, 7/16 wrench, masking tape, hammer, a grinder, safety glasses, tape measure, caulk gun, and PL Marine Fast Cure adhesive sealant. Remove the caulking from around the nuts on the existing Rotopax mount and remove the nuts. Once the nuts have been removed from the mounting plate, remove the plate and push in 3 of the 4 bolts, leaving the top right corner bolt. Once the 3 bolts have been removed, fill the holes with the Loctite adhesive sealant. Use the top right square hole on the dual mounting plate. Place it on to the last existing bolt. Place one of the square nuts finger tight. On either side of the plate, measure to the top line and be sure that the plate is even. Mark the 4 outside holes. Remove the plate. When drilling the 4 holes, be sure that the 1/4 inch drill bit is straight to the trailer and level. Hold the plate steady and drill the 4 outside holes. Using the PL marine grade caulking, caulk around all 4 bolts. Be sure to cover the base completely. Place the bracket onto the caulked bolts. And place the 4 nuts onto the bolts. Tighten to finger tight. After the first bolt is tightened, recheck your measurements and be sure that the plate is even to the top line. Then tighten the rest of the nuts. Bolts will be too long and need to be ground down to flush to the nut. Your first step will be to measure from the door trim to the center bolt on top of the fender. Measure from the top line and make several marks at 6 1/8. Use a straight edge to draw a line across. Measure from the top of the door and make your center mark on the 6 1/8 line. Mark the center of the top and bottom of the plate. Hold your plate to the center line on the 6 1/8 line and flush, and mark your 4 outside holes. First, drill the bottom right hand corner hole. Place a bolt through the bottom right hand corner and place the plate back on the marks. Drill the last 3 holes, making sure that the plate is even to the line on the bottom. Be sure to coat the base of all 4 bolts with marine grade Loctite before installation. Place the bracket on the bolts and tighten down with the 4 nuts.